Answer me this question. Anybody? Go ahead. Very, very good, Govardhan. Very good. So basically, we live with fractions on a daily basis. Like what Govardhan said is, one minute, children. What Govardhan said is, suppose we go to a shop. Okay, your mother sends you to shop to buy 1/4 kg of sugar. That means if this is 1 kg of sugar, okay, then how much will shopkeeper give me? He will divide this 1 kg into 4 equal parts and he will give me this much. So this becomes 1 out of 4 kgs. So Govardhan bought 1/4 kg. Now Pawan's mother tells, go and get for me half kg. So same shopkeeper Pawan goes, but he has to buy half kg. So he will go and buy, the shopkeeper will give him one more piece. And that becomes, how much the fraction becomes? Tell. 2 by 4 kgs, which is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which is half kg. So this brings us to the new topic of something which is called simplification of fractions. Simplification of fractions. For example, let's take my favorite item. I have a chocolate. Okay? This chocolate is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another chocolate which is divided into 2 parts. 1, 2. Okay, this chocolate I give to Kirtana. Some fraction I want to give to Kirtana. This chocolate, some fraction I want to give to Danya. Okay, so for Kirtana I decide to give this piece and this piece. So what is the fraction of chocolate Kirtana got? Wait. Yes, tell Subhashri. So what is the fraction? So Kirtana got 2 by 4. Basically 2 pieces out of 4 pieces. Correct? Correct, children? Yes, very good. Now I decide to give Dhanya one piece. One piece of this chocolate. Okay? So how much Dhanya got? What fraction of chocolate Dhanya got? 1 by 2. Correct? So Dhanya got 1 by 2. So one piece out of two pieces. Tell me, children, who got more? Wait. Govardhan, wait. Tell me, who got more? Preeti? No. Hold on, Subhashi. Hold on. I will tell that. Now I'm just asking. It's a combined uh, class activity. Okay. So don't worry. Tell me. Tell me, Vijay. Vijay. Tell me. Yeah, she got more. Okay. Vijay is saying she got more. Who is saying otherwise? Who is saying who has a different answer? Raise your hands. Yeah, Bhargavi. Bhargavi. Okay, so Bhargavi is saying both Kirtana and Dhanya got equal number of chocolates. Okay, fine. Who has a different answer? So Vijay said Kirtana got more. Bhargavi is saying Kirtana and Dhanya got same. Yes, Preeti. Preeti is also saying both have equal. Okay, who has something else? Some- Okay, so most of the children are saying both Kirtana and Dhanya got same amount of chocolate. Okay, only Vijay said it was Kirtana got more because he looked at Kirtana getting two pieces and Dhanya got only one piece. But now let me change this slightly for you all. Let me erase this. Okay. And I will now give this piece to Kirtana. Now tell me, Vijay, who has got more and who has got less? I have given two pieces still to Kirtana. I've colored that blue. Correct? And I've given one piece to Dhanya. Who has got more? Still Kirtana. Still Dhanya. But but both have got this much piece only. Who has got? Who has got more? Both are equal. So how much did Kirtana get? Kirtana got 2 out of 4. Dhanya got 1 out of 2, which is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 4, so 2 by 4 is simplified to 1 by 2. They are same. This is equal. Yes, Hemant. You raise your hand. You raise your lower your hand then, Hemant. Yeah, okay, no problem. So what did we do? I will again tell you all. How much had Kirtana got? Please mute. How much Kirtana got? How many pieces? Two pieces out of four pieces of chocolate, correct? Which I have simplified by two ones are two, two twos are four. It is nothing but half. Same as what Dhanya got. So what have I done? I have simplified. Don't use the board, children. I have simplified 1 2 by 4 to 1 by 2. Or I will say I have converted. Children, I hope you are writing this. 2 by 4 to its simplest form, which is 1 by 2. Two things I've two things I'm telling you all. One is I have simplified 2 by 4 to 1 by 2, or I have converted 2 by 4 to its simplest form, which is 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is same as half, and I proved it to you all by the visual representation. Kirtana got 2 out of 4, Dhanya got 1 out of 2, both are same. So which is the simplest form, 2 by 4 or 1 by 2? Children, which is the simplest form of the fraction? 1 by 2. Very good. Why? Why? Yes, 1 by 2 is the simplest form. But why is it the simplest form? Yes, I can divide further. 1 by 2, I cannot divide further. I can divide 2 by 4. 2 by 4, I can divide further. 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. What am I doing? So 2 divided by 2 is how much? 2 divided by 2 is how much? 1. And 4 divided by 2 is how much? So I have divided numerator and denominator by same number. Correct? And I got the simplest form, half. So whenever I divide the numerator and denominator by same number, I will get its simplest form. Okay. So remember 2. Okay. Now I am circling this number 2. What is 2? Why I took 2? Wait, hold on. Let people think. Why did I take 2? Yeah, but why 2? Why 2? Hold on. Hold on. Okay, all of you who know, write the answer in chat box, private. Question is, why did I choose 2? The red 2. Quickly, children. Why did I choose 2? This 2. I'm drawing arrow. Tell me why I choose this 2. Why I divided numerator and denominator by 2. No, no. I'm just looking for one word. Yes, Subhashri. Correct. Can you put that in the. Yes, Govardhan. Correct. Yes. So, what Govardhan? Govardhan, can you put that on public? Your what you have written? Put it on public chat. Subhashri, you also. Is it visible to all? Because both the numbers are divisible by 2 completely. Very good. Because 2 and 4 will come in 2 table. So what she has written. Very good. Two different answers, both are correct. That's the wonder of maths. Two people can have different, they can form the answer differently, but both are correct. So basically, I use 2 because 2 is the HCF, highest common factor of 2 and 4. Now we will say, oh, we have learned HCF. Here we use it. So for conversion to simplest form, I will find the HCF of numerator and denominator. Moment I find the HCF of numerator and denominator, I will divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. I will get the simplest form. Moment the HCF of the numerator and denominator becomes 1, then that is the simplest form of the fraction. Let's try one more. Okay. Now children, very simple. You all have to write the answer in the chat box privately. Okay. So the exercise is convert to simplest form. Sorry. Convert to simplest form. Okay. Here we go. First one. Put in private chat box, children. Remember, hint is, I'm giving all hint now. Later I will not give hint. HCF of numerator and denominator. Okay, Pawan. Quickly, children. Fastest finger first. Yesterday, the score was Bhargavi was 4, Govardhan was 3, Dhanya was 2. Yesterday's score. Fastest answers. Today, let's see. Govardhan has given me already. Let me see if it's correct. Excellent. Yes. Correct. No. No. Correct, Nitisha. Govardhan, Nitisha, correct. No. Subhashri. Subhashri, numerator and denominator can be further divided. Dhanya, no. I told you simplest form. Simplest form is when both the numbers, their HCF becomes 1. When their HCF becomes 1, then only you are in simplest form. Who is, Govardhan is correct. Naveen, you gave answer, Naveen. I didn't see. No, Naveen, it's not come. No, Vinay, no. Vijay is correct. Naveen, no. Vijay is correct. Naveen, I didn't get your answer. No, answer again then. Private, huh? Private. Not in everyone. Vinay, you're answering to everyone. Don't answer. Answer to me only. Vinay, I have not got. Naveen, I have not got. Archana, you can further divide that. It's not lowest form. Shubhashri, that is not lowest form. Even 9 and 12 will have HCF. No, that is not lowest form. You can further divide. Okay, others. Others. I'm waiting for your answer. Make mistake. Don't worry. Muskan, Hemant, Kavya. Okay, Govardhan, send it to me. Yes, Archana, correct. Now you're right. Dhanishri, you know, you type on that. See, you when you're sent to, you will have name in blue color. Choose my name. Yes, Subhashri, correct. No, Vinay. Okay, children. Others, have a look. And that is why I have to Kavya, no. Naveen, no. No, Naveen. Okay, children. 36 and 48. What we have to do? We have to find HCF. Govardhan, not Govardhan. Archana, tell me how you did. Okay, Archana divided by 2. Okay, fine. So she first divided by 2. Let's see what she did. Okay, let's try. So you divided numerator and denominator by 2. Okay. What you got? 18 divided by 24. Okay, then what you did? Again you divided by 2. Okay, then what you got? Okay, then what you did? Then you divided by 3. Okay. So 9 divided by 12. Then you divided by 3 again. Yeah. Okay. Divided by 3. You got how much? 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now can I divide 3 and 4 further? No. Because their HCF is 1. 3 divided by 1, 4 divided by 1 is nothing but 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the simplest form. Yes, yes. 36 by 48 is equal to 3 by 4. It is the equivalent fraction. So 36 by 48 is same as 3 by 4. Okay. But as your number increases, then you should be able to find HCF. This method is correct. This method is simplest correct. What simplest form? It's a simple method. What Archana told. Okay, just keep checking and seeing whether you can divide by 2. But it takes time. But immediately, if you know, for example, if I have 36 divided by 48, if I want to find HCF, I know tables of 6, correct? Or I can say 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. So 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Correct? Yeah, this is, and then you can find 48 also. Then you have 48. Then you have 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So you have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Children, we have done this HCF before. Children, please mute. Children, please mute your phones when I'm explaining. Thank you. So 48 becomes, what is 48? Correct. So, what are the common factors of 36 and 48? 2, 2, correct. So, HCF is, children, please mute, which is 12. So, I will divide by the HCF. So, I will divide 36 divided by 12, 48 divided by 12, nothing but 3 by 4. 36 divided by 12 is 3, 48 divided by 12 is 4. 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48. This is my answer, simplest form. Clear? Okay. Now let's not leave it. Let us do another one. Children, now I want others to also try. I told you all now before only starting of the class. Trying is important. Making mistake is not important. Okay. Okay. So now let me give you. Okay. Convert to simplest form, children. You have to get fraction, Dhanyashri. Yeah, you're given me the HCF. Now give me the fraction. No, Govardhan, wrong. No, Vijay, nearly correct. Slight mistake you made in tables. Correct, Nitisha. You're right. Others, waiting. Yes, Govardhan. Correct, Preeti. Very good. Come on, children, come on. I didn't see your message. 1 minute. Subhashri, correct. Vijay, slightly wrong. Govardhan, correct. Preeti, correct. Dhanyashri, no, Dhanyashri, you made a slight mistake. Dhanya, slight mistake you made. Others, Muskan, Kirtana, who didn't understand? Naveen. Okay, when I'm doing again, I will you try to understand. If you don't understand, let me know. Who is that me now? Wait, let me check. Who is me? Kirtana. But you gave me correct answer no? Obviously. Which one? Let me check. Archana, no. Kavya didn't understand. Okay, Archana, no. Muskan, correct. Correct. Archana, no. Muskan, absolutely correct. Okay, children. Again, whenever I am okay, listen very carefully. Those who have not understood. Those who have not understood, you all know why we are converting to simplest form. Kavya, Kavya, do you know why we are converting to simplest form? Why are we converting to simplest form? Kirtana, Kirtana. Those are not understood. I am asking you a question. Naveen, do you know that converting to simplest form? Okay, okay. When we don't understand, best way is to draw. So suppose I have a chocolate. I have a chocolate. And I have divided into how many parts? What was the fraction I gave you? How many parts have I divided into? So how many parts have I divided the chocolate into? 15. So I have divided the chocolate into 15 parts. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. How many parts now? Correct, no? 15 parts, no? All of you look at it. Children, yeah. Now I have told, so my fraction is out of 15 parts, I have taken out how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Okay, very good. So I have taken out 6 pieces. Okay. Okay, very nice. Excellent. Now, now, suppose I didn't have this line. Yes, Shravan, and this line. How many? What is my fraction now? What is my denominator? Total pieces, how much? Total pieces, how much now? 5 pieces. And how many pieces I took out? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many pieces I took out? No, 2 pieces. Again, children, visualize. Again, let me again draw it for you. Again. Okay, now I will again draw this chocolate. Children, those who have not understood, please tell me whether you are understanding or not. I have a chocolate. What is the fraction I gave you all? 6 by 15, correct? 6 by 15. That means this chocolate I have divided into 15 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 pieces are divided into, and I've taken how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now suppose same chocolate. Okay. This time I have divided it into 5 equal parts. Okay. 5 equal parts. Okay. So what is my denominator here? And I want to give same amount of chocolate. How many pieces I'll give? No, these are equal, correct? This is equal. Correct, no? So 6 out of 15 is same as 2 out of 5. Same. Now understood? Now understood? Visually you understood? 6 out of 15, whether I give Muskan 6 pieces out of 15 and I give Vinay 2 out of 5 of the same chocolate, it is same. Same. It doesn't mean Vinay got less and Muskan got more. No, it is same. So what is this called? This is called the simplest form of the fraction. Just imagine I had to cut Muskan's chocolate. Muskan's chocolate I had to cut into 15 pieces and then distribute 6 pieces. It takes more time, no? Whereas Vinay's chocolate, the second chocolate, I cut only into 5 pieces and gave 2 pieces off. Which is simpler? So that is why I'm saying it is called simplification. So 6 by 15 was simplified to 2 by 5. How did we do it? So this is a concept I visually understood. How did I do? How do I get 2 by 5 in mathematics? How do I do the technique? Very simple. I will find the HCF of 6 and 5, 15. 6 comes in 3 tables. 6 comes in 3 tables. 15 comes in 3 tables. Very good. So I will divide numerator by 3. Divide by 3. 15 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is how much? 6 divided by 3. 2. And 15 divided by 3. 15. Yeah. Clear. So I got the simplest form. Understood, children? Kirtana, Kavya, Vinay, Naveen. Anybody who has not understood? Who is that? Who is that? Kirtana. Yeah. So, no problem. Good. Did you understand till here? Chocolate both getting same. You understood 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5? Yeah. Now tell me how you can prove 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5. By visual, I proved to you. In maths, how you will prove? Does 6 comes in whose table? No, 6 comes in 2's table also. Correct. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Does 15 come in 3's table? Sorry, in 2's table? Does 15? No, does 15 does not come in 2's table. So I should, both 6 and 15 should come in same table. So 6 comes in 2's table, but 15 does not come in 2's table. Then I go to next number. 3's table. Oh, 3's table 6 comes? Yes. 3 twos are 6. Does 15 come in 3's table? Yes. 3 5s are 15. Very good. I got. So I will do divided by 3. This divided by 3. Equal to, so 6 divided by 3 is how much? 2. And 15 divided by 3, 5. Got it. Excellent. Correct? This is how you understand fractions and the concept. This is called technique. How to do. And this is called understanding. Once you understand, then you can use technique. Because we can't keep drawing, no, to understand every time. Can I keep drawing to understand? No, no. I should have some technique. Yes. So this is how you reduce a fraction to simplest form. Very good. So now, children, we have understood types of fractions and we have understood how to reduce a fraction to simplest form. Now there is one important thing which is called can somebody read it for me? Yes, please. Comparing fractions. Can somebody tell me the meaning of comparing? Wait. Naveen. Yeah. Comparing? Yeah. What is the meaning of comparing? हाँ हाँ हाँ. Comparing is actually okay. Suppose I say, who's that? Vijay, yeah, tell me. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Naveen, you are also correct, and Vijay, you are also absolutely correct. It is like joining. Comparing means join, not exactly joining, but I understood what Naveen wanted to say. He's saying basically wanted to say that your comparing means I have got long hair, somebody else has got short hair. Comparing. Biju sir is old, he's got white hair. All children are young, they have got black hair. Comparing. Okay. Yes. So, for example, if I have a number 3 and if I have a number 6, I want to compare these two numbers. Well, how do you compare them? Yes. Sorry? Correct. So, if I ask you which is bigger, 6 is bigger. So, I have straight away compared 3 greater than 6. How I can compare it very clearly? Because I always know there are 3 apples here, there are 6 apples here, means 6 apple is more bigger. Correct? No, I have more. Correct? Similarly, I should be able to compare fractions also. Correct? I should be able to compare fractions also. For example, if I tell you which is bigger, 1 minute, 1 by 3 or 2 by 3, which is bigger? Okay, 1 by 3. Okay, so let me help you. Let me change this color. Let me make it green. Okay, 2 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Same we will use. Example, chocolate. 1 by 3 means how many pieces I should divide? Total 3. 1, 2. And I took one piece. Okay, in 2 by 3, I have chocolate. Same chocolate, okay? Divided into 3 equal parts. And I took 2 pieces. Which is greater? 2. 1 by 3 is greater, Subhashri. If I give you one piece and I give somebody else 2 pieces, 2 by 3 is greater. Correct? Now, children, I'm asking who is getting more. If that's a very good question, Shubhashri. Yes, I can. It's a very good question. But my question is, which is greater is the colored part. I didn't ask which of the uncolored part is greater. Colored part. One by how it is equal? How you simplify? Tell me. Yeah. You can't see. You can see visually, no. 2 pieces out of 3 is bigger than one piece out of 3. Correct? Yeah. So yeah. So now, children, one thing you have to observe is here the denominator. Oh, here the denominator was same in both the fractions. So you could straight away make out 1 is smaller than 2, so 2 by 3 is bigger. Correct? Correct? So whenever denominator is same number, You just have to see the numerator and you can compare the fraction. Okay, let me give you another example. Let me give you 22 by 43 and 28 by 43. Which is bigger? Again, denominator was same. Both are same. So obviously 28 is bigger than 22. So yeah. Such fractions which have denominator same are called like fractions. Okay. Whenever you have you when you see many fractions and denominator is same, it is called like fractions. And when you want to compare like fractions, it is very simple. You only compare the numerator. Understood, children? Write down. Write down. All fractions having same denominator. All, I'm writing down for you all. All fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. You can make out my handwriting now, children. Okay, example. Example 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 are like fractions. Clear, children? Yes. Comparing like fractions, comparing like fractions is very easy. Very easy. Why it is very easy? Whichever fraction, huh? Because seeing the numerator, you can decide which is bigger, which is smaller. Okay, clear? So, for example, if I give you 1,352 divided by 2,951, another number I give you is 1,853 divided by 2,951. Which is bigger? Yes. So the green colored one is the greater fraction. So you just have to, if the denominator is same, you just have to check the numerator and you'll get your like fractions are, yeah. So for example, suppose I give you a problem and tell you all, arrange following fractions in ascending order. Everybody knows what is the meaning of ascending? Okay, tell me. Then yes. So ascending means small to big. and descending means big to small. Descending is big to small. Clear, children? Those who don't know, write it down. Ascending means small to big. That means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is ascending order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is descending order. Clear, children? Yeah. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So I'm rubbing this off. And my question is, arrange the following in ascending order. So I will write 31 by 38, 23 by 38. Then I'll write 37 by 38 and 11 by 38. Put this in ascending order. In private chat, please put it fast. Ascending order, that means small to big. Smallest fraction to biggest fraction. We have only 2 more minutes for the class, children. Quickly. No, 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 no. Yes, Shravan, you're right. But have I given 37? Have I given 31? I've given only 4 fractions, Shravan. Go, Govardhan, correct. Wait, children. I'll tell you one by one. Vinay, no. Where is 11? 11 by 38, Vinay. Shravant, 11, 23, 31, 37. But where did you get 27 from? Shravant. Nitisha, correct. Kirtana, correct. Kavya, correct. Muskan, correct. Subhashri, correct. Archana, correct. It's very simple, children. Nitisha, correct. Nitisha, no. Nitisha, wrong. You have given me descending order. Big to small. I want small to big. Vijay, correct. Vijay, 27. Where you got 27? No. Vijay, no. Vijay, 11 is smaller than 27. No, Vijay, think again. Okay, Shravan, got it. Preeti, correct. Naveen, I not one answer, I want all. Correct, Shravan. How you got 24 by 45, Naveen? Vinay, 38 is in the denominator. Don't worry about 38. Yeah, see, children, it's very simple. Which is smallest number here? 11. Next smallest number is, so this is number 1. This is position 2. Then this is position 3. And this is position 4. And this is position 4. First, you will write 11 by 38. Second, you will write 23 by 38. Third, you will write 31 by 38. And fourth, you will write 37 by 38. Why? Because 11 less than 23, less than 31, and less than 37. I'm not able to write that. Clear? because because 11 less than 23 less than 31 less than 37. Clear, children? Same thing, same fractions. Okay, children, same fractions. Put for me in in descending order. Big to small. Quickly, children, in 30 seconds. Same fractions. Put for me in descending order. Big to small. Correct, Shravant. Very good. That was fast. Correct, Govardhan. It's very simple, children. Very simple. If you all understand greater than less than, simple it is. Very simple. Okay, children. So it's time up. Yes, Kavya, correct. Very good. Vinay, correct. Vinay is absolutely correct. Very good, children. Children, when you all focus and when we understand, then it becomes very simple. Very good, Preeti. Very good, Kirtana. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Right, children. So we've exceeded slightly by time. Correct, Nitisha. This is descending, big to small. Very good. So with that, children, with that we come to an end of today's class. I will give you a worksheet. Again, Kavya, Muskan, Nitisha, Subhashri, can you all mute your phones, please? Thank you. Yeah. So we have today what we have learned. We have learned simplification of fractions. We understood it by visual. Then we understood it by technique. We have to find the HCF and divide numerator and denominator by HCF. Then we started comparing fractions, which is bigger, which is smaller. We have covered like fractions. Tomorrow we will start understanding how to compare unlike fractions, where denominator becomes different. Means one chocolate is divided into 5 pieces, another chocolate is divided into 7 pieces. Then how will we compare which is bigger or which is smaller? When I give, say, 4 pieces, when I give 5 pieces to somebody else, which will be bigger, which will be smaller, we don't know. Tomorrow we will first understand that visually, then we will do the technique. Okay, children? I hope you enjoyed the class. Yes, that is what I said. Tomorrow I am going to teach that only. When denominators are different, the fraction becomes unlike fractions. So there we have to be very careful. We have to understand. So first I will teach you all visually. First seeing, drawing chocolate, distributing. We will understand. Then I will teach you all the technique. What should we do? Like how? Okay. So tomorrow we'll do that. Like fraction is very simple. What is like fraction? Denominator is same. So you just see the numerator and then you say, okay, this is bigger, that is smaller, that okay, like that. Unlike fractions, slightly we'll have to understand. So tomorrow we will spend time on that. Okay. So first, children, always remember, first we will visualize, we will imagine, we will understand. Then we will learn the technique. HCF, oh, we have to find HCF, okay, fine. Why we have to find? We have to know first. Okay, so that we do with drawing, visualization, imagination, everything. Then technique, once we practice, we will get the technique. That is why I want you all to do your worksheets. That is where I give you all practice. Okay. All of you know to write cycle? All of you know to write cycle? Okay, those who don't know, those who, okay, those who don't know, you all have not practiced. If you all practice, then you can just lift the cycle, sit on the seat, pedal and go. That is practice. So maths is also like that. Once you know the technique, tap, 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 you keep doing, you will get it. So if you say two threes are six, three fives are 15, you ask me, eight nines are 72, six eights are 48. Practice. Let that keep practicing. Maths will become simple. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a good evening. Eat well. Sleep well. Bye, children. Bye bye bye. See you all, everybody. Bye bye. Sleep well, children. Okay, I'm closing the meeting. Bye bye. Bye, everybody. Oh, Vinay is in which school? Vinay? Excellent. I will add. Hey, send me your number, Vinay. I've not saved it. Naveen, send me Vinay's number. Send me Vinay's number. Okay. Whose phone? What happened to your phone? Hemant, you can't see my screen, is it? It just now become. Just now. You couldn't see my screen? You couldn't see my screen? Oh, which is the phone? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're given this complaints. You're given the complaints to Ashita ma'am, no? Good, good. She's doing something about it. Don't worry. Okay. Bye, children. Okay, children, wait. Some of you wait. Did you all get any message from school that you all have to join some other online class? Hmm? Okay. Don't worry. Your Kannada class and all you'll attend there. Maths and Ashita ma'am's class, join, connect with us because that will be Kannada medium. Okay. So you join here. That will be difficult because too many children will be there. So you and it is combined lot of many schools and all that. So here you all will be able to understand more. Okay. Oh, I think you should join only for Kannada class, Kannada language class, only for that. If at all you want to, but give more importance to Ashita ma'am's class and my class because there they will teach Kannada medium and they will combine 8th, 9th, 10th. It will be too much. So here we will get more focus. Okay. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. We have started on our own. So you join our class. At least TFI class you join. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. I'm just asking. Don't worry. As long as you're attending this class and Ashita ma'am's class, don't worry. Okay. Bye then, children. I'm ending the call. Okay. Good night. Eat well. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow. Acha, tomorrow is Wednesday. Class is at 5 o'clock. I will put on the group. Okay. Okay. I'll see. I will see. Okay. Naveen, you also send. Wait. Let me see. First message that comes to me will always be difficult. No, I've not got number. Where you send? No. Send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay. Bye. Take care. Ending the call. Bye.